What is UV editing? So we're going to be doing a project of making a monkey. So let's delete this, X delete, Shift A, and we're going to do a monkey. And the reason why I say that with correlation to the UV editing is the very first step is in order to actually paint on this monkey of having different colors on him, is we need to go to the UV editing. So go to the UV editing workspace. Inside of here, we can actually see that it's already unwrapped for us, which is awesome. But in case of it isn't, there's a few different ways you can do that. One way is you can go to UV and you can click unwrap. And you can see by doing that, it unwraps for us. Now, there's a few different ways we can do that. We can do Smart UV Project, click OK, and it'll project in this manner as well. So what the heck is this doing? Well, we have a 3D mesh, right? And the only way to actually, paint on this, to give texture to this, is to correlate with a 2D image. So this is just a regular PNG, but we have to map it out. So that's what the UV editing does. You're creating a UV map. So you're mapping the 3D space to a 2D source over here. So in case if you ever need to, again, you have to select all your object in edit mode, go to UV. I personally like doing a Smart UV Project, okay. And then over here in the UV editor, you can actually see it. And worst case scenario, you can also just modify the mapping here as well. So let's just go ahead and save this. File, save it to save location, save here. Cool. And we're ready for the next bit.